It looks like we need that seal there, and as you can see, once you pull this cover off, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to replace this engine seal right here. You'll notice if there's oil coming out underneath the bottom here, you can pull this cover off and you'll see if there's oil leak in here. So we've got a new seal to replace this. Let's get to it. Alright, the first thing you want to do is pull off this engine cover. There's just 4 bolts holding it on, and get that out of the way. Next you have these 3 T25 Torx right here. Alright, with the 3 Torx screws out of the way, you've got this seal cover right here. You can go ahead and clean that up, and you can see our seal here is pretty dirty, so we know it's leaking out. Now the trick to getting these out is to grab a drywall screw or a real pointy screw and just drill that into the seal itself. You don't want to drill it in too far, you just want to get it in the seal enough, probably about a 1/4 inch, so you can pull that seal out. You can see the seal, it's only about a 1/4 inch wide. You don't want to go in any deeper, otherwise you'll get into something inside. So there, I can just pop the seal right out, and then you can clean up in here. Alright, once you have the insides cleaned out here of all that old gunk and oil, you can grab your new seal and we'll just pop that right in. Now the trick here is to just get it started over that inner washer right there, work it around that and just get it started there. Then you'll just grab an 1.5 inch diameter PVC pipe, and that is the right size for your seal, and you just want to tap that in. Now that our seal is tapped in, you'll see it's pretty much flush here with the engine. There's just a little bit of a lip here on this seal, so it's not sitting totally flush, but that is how this seal mounts in here. Now we're done with the seal. We can stick our plate back on and stick our screws back in. Now these screws are coated with a blue Loctite, so be sure to use that when reinstalling. See, we have a blue Loctite on these screws here, so make sure to put that back on. Tighten them down, snug them up. Then you can reinstall your outer cover, those 4 cap screws on there. Alright, so that's how to replace the oil seal on this side of the engine under that engine cover. Hope this video helped you out. Be sure to like below, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see y'all in the next video.